Hello, Teacher Tina here, bringing a brand new brand ambassador video to brand new teachers. Whew! And before you leave, if you're not a brand new teacher, I think that you will still find something valuable in this video, so be sure to stick around. Basically, VIPKID contacted me a few days ago and asked me to create this video because they thought it was so important to get this information out for new teachers. So let's talk about this opportunity. Basically, I'm going to talk about what the opportunity is for new teachers, and then I'll answer some frequently asked questions. So let's get started. First of all, what is this new opportunity, this new amazing opportunity that every new teacher should do? It is called the New Teacher Kickoff Workshop, NTKOW. And basically what that means is that when you are brand new, this is your first place that you should go to get started, okay? And even if you're not brand new, if you're still feeling like you don't really have the ropes down and you're figuring things out, you should attend too. Anyway, let's talk about what you can expect in this workshop. So it's an online workshop, right? It's optional, but it's very beneficial. So let's talk about the 4 things that you can expect to learn from the mentor in this workshop. Okay, the first thing that you will learn from this mentor is you will talk about Chinese parents' expectations of how their students are going to learn English. And you'll learn about the most common features of Chinese students. So these students may not learn like students you've taught before if you've been a teacher in the past. So it's really giving you an idea of what to expect. So that's what the mentor will give you first, is those kind of expectations, the groundwork, what you'll be working with. The second thing that you can expect is how teachers can fully prepare for the class. So the mentor will step you through what he or she recommends for when you're preparing for a class. I also have a video about that, I'll link that below, but yeah, you'll definitely get lots of helpful tips about preparing for your first class. The third thing that you'll get out of it is you will watch some class video clips and then have discussions about it. So that'll be really cool. It's like you're a fly on the wall. You get to view what an actual class looks like, what to do, what not to do. Very, very valuable to see that. And then the fourth thing that you will get out of the workshop is you will get introduced to more workshops. So VIPKID holds live webinar workshops all the time. I mean, there are dozens and dozens and dozens available every single week, and they're amazing. So you'll kind of get an idea of where to go from there so that you can keep attending workshops in an order that makes sense for you. Okay, so those are the 4 things, plus special bonus. People who attend the workshop will receive a gift from VIPKID. Special takeaway gifts for the teachers is what VIPKID calls them. So that will definitely help you in your class as well. So now that I've kind of given you a basis, I'm going to answer those frequently asked questions. So I actually have them on an iPad. So basically I got these questions, I sent them over to VIPKID, and I quickly got an answer back. And so I'm going to share them with you. This is all about the New Teacher Kickoff Workshop. Okay, number 1, I asked, is this New Teacher Kickoff Workshop in any way related to the old kickoff meetings that were required for some teachers instead of a mock 2? So this question came from people who basically have been with the company for a while, and in the past there was something called New Teacher Kickoff Meetings, and yeah, so let me see what VIPKID said. Let me read it for you. Okay, so is it related to the kickoff meetings? VIPKID said, no, this workshop is not related to the old kickoff meetings. This workshop is for teachers who have already signed their contract. And then they added this nice little touch. And we hope we can welcome the new teachers, build connections between teachers and our company, and help new teachers get well prepared for their first classes. Sounds good. All right, question number 2. Can anyone attend the New Teacher Kickoff Workshops, or just recently hired teachers? VIPKID said, this workshop is one of our regular workshops. Any teachers can attend after they sign their contract. And they added, and if they attend this workshop, they can get tokens. In each period of token activities, the number of tokens they get for this workshop is different. Teachers can find the token rules on the Teacher Portal Academy workshop schedule. So in addition to all of the other benefits we've already talked about, you do earn some tokens for attending workshops. So in case you needed another boost, another reason, there you go. All right, question number 3, I asked, can teachers attend the New Teacher Kickoff Workshop more than once? And VIPKID said, yes, teachers can attend more than once. And I do recommend that you attend workshops more than once, even if it's the same mentor and the same topic, because you will learn different things just based on who else is in that workshop. And sometimes the mentors update their information and their stories and their video clips. So I definitely recommend attending workshops more than once. So that's why I wanted to know that question. All right, so number 4, I asked, is there a maximum number of attendees in the new teacher kickoff workshop? Because let's face it, there could be a lot of people there. And VIPKID said, no, there is no limitation to the number of attendees for this workshop. Our Zoom account allows 300 people to get in at one time. Since it launched, the new teacher kickoff workshop, we have never gotten this many people registered in one meeting. And I think that why it's not getting capped out is because they have so many different times and days available. It's amazing. I mean, I'm linking below the link to the workshop schedule. You'll be amazed by how many opportunities there are to catch the workshop. So I definitely recommend registering for it ahead of time if there's a time that you specifically want to attend it, just in case, but it doesn't sound like they'll get maxed out. All right, and number 5, we asked, when will these new workshops become available? And in case you didn't already get it from the last question, these workshops have already launched. They recently launched though, The new teacher kickoff workshop is available for all teachers. You can find it by going to Academy, Workshop Schedule, New Teacher Kickoff Workshop. All right, so I'm also posting the link to the workshop below. I definitely recommend that you attend it. It's going to be a really awesome opportunity. One more note from VIPKID. VIPKID has sent me this message to share with you. This is a very useful meeting, especially designed to guide new teachers through their initial days with VIPKID. It is also a great opportunity to meet with your peers and experienced mentors, solving any possible doubts or difficulties new teachers might be facing. So, I don't know what else I need to say to get you to attend this workshop, but I really hope that you get a lot out of it, and I hope to see you at one of them as well. I like to attend the workshops, like I said. All right, so if you are also still just getting started or trying to get off on the right foot, you can check out these videos that I have here. Yeah, so I would love to hear in the comment section below what you are excited for about VIPKID. So just share that with me below, what you are excited for. 1 thing, 2 things, however many things you want to share. I'd love to hear that, and if you have questions, I'd love to hear that as well. Again, those videos to help you get started are right here and right here. All right, good luck. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe so you don't miss any brand ambassador videos. Thank you so much. Happy teaching. Bye.